Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership and capacity. Sign into the exact PSN account that purchased Crisis Core because region mismatches block downloads. Once signed in, update your PS Vita to the latest system software and free at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of space so the installer can run. Make sure the title is listed on PlayStation Store as a PSP or PSP Classic product. That designation is why the Vita can run it natively. These steps prevent simple preventable errors before download. You proceed to acquisition and transfer. If the game is available, open PlayStation Store on the Vita, go to Library and locate your purchased titles. Select Crisis Core and tap Download. If the store on Vita doesn't show the purchase, buy the PSP version from PS3 or the PSN web store using the same account. Then on the Vita, use Content Manager to sync and transfer the download-ready package. Make sure downloads complete without interruption. Interrupted installs can corrupt the title and require redownloading. You finish by installing and verifying the game. Launch the Crisis Core icon to let the Vita complete any first-run installs or extra data downloads. Once done, check save data via Content Manager and back it up to PS Plus or a PC so you don't lose progress. If the game won't run or won't download, make sure the PSN account region matches the purchase, you have enough free storage, and your Vita firmware is current. If problems persist, delete the partial download and retry the redownload from your library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.